Who's this square? I'm not a square, I'm a cube. A Rubik's Cube. Tattoo tight! Thank you, but I didn't sneeze. I know you didn't. That sneezes. You're supposed to go like, ah, shit! Stop! It's getting annoying. I'm not annoying, I'm an orange. You know what, Orange? You should check this out. What? This. Hey, man. Hey, Green. Are you recycling? No, I'm not a recycling. I'm a Rubik's Cube. Tattoo tight. I didn't sneeze, man. That's okay. I should call you recycling. Hey, recycling. Hey, I told you it's Rubik's tattoo tight. See you later, man. But no buts, man. Hello, White. Whoa. What are you saying, whoa? Don't you know that already? Oh. White Gold. Hey, White Gold, hey. Whoa, dude! What's wrong with you? Hot? Jump! Tattoo tight. Thanks. Dude, you're supposed to blow your nose, not blow it. Yeah. Wow. That is very funny. Right? It is funny. Hey, Bluey. No, I'm a Rubik's tattoo tight. Rubik's tattoo tight. You're very funny, Orange. Right? I know you are. You're so funny. Thank you. You're the best. Hey, what's all the commotion? Why, hello. Yellow. Did I save you for last? Or you just checking? No, I never. You are a very rude fruit. Don't do that! What? Oh, sorry. I thought you said Rubik's Cube. Okay, I'm gonna leave now. Bye. No. Oh, it's a basketball. Really? Where? Yeah, midget basketball doesn't know how to find things. Yeah. No. Yeah. Hey, Rubik's Cube. No. Hey, Rubik's Cube. Hey, what? Hands. What? No. Rubik's Cube is a Rubik's Cube, or should I say, tattoo tight.